Guys, Ultimatum actually just got his car straight piped. I did this just for the channel and just for fun. I want to do it though. The place where I went to, it's actually right here. It's called Affordable Mufflers. It's located in Forest Lake. The guy first told me it was going to be 100. He first told me it was going to be an hour and a half. It took him 33 minutes to do the job. So that was a win-win-win. But you're going to have to stick around and watch what this sounds like. 2013 Nissan Altima, cold start, straight piped. Oh yeah. (2013) Nissan Altima, cold start, straight piped. Oh yeah. So guys, Ultimatum got his car straight piped today though. I already shot a video of it. I couldn't rev it because I was the one filming it because it has a auto fob. So you guys will see some more videos though. I'm gonna slow down a little bit though and pretty sick. It's got it doesn't go any faster unfortunately, but it feels faster though, just because. So it's pretty sick.